going on out here, kiddos? You look like you're ready to molt there, little one. Yeah, I bet you are multi. And the turkeys, well, today's Tuesday, and Friday they go to freezer camp. But don't tell them. Did you see that? She picked a feather off of that turkey's ass and ate it. That's protein, they're molting. That's how it works. And then look at the babies, the lavender babies. And they just sit over there on their own. Two little rooster boys. They're going to freezer camp too. Sad to say. But look at this pasture. I mean, they have, I knew they would do it, but they have literally eaten this down. Munched it all out. I was just plucking feathers. Goose the turkey. God dang, girl. She's just wanting to eat feathers. Their gizzards will grind it up and they'll find that protein useful. But you know, there's feathers laying all over the ground. Little shit. You know, the thing I learned about birds is that once they get in a habit, they stay in it. They don't change. Alright. People walking their dogs all the time, coming to see the babies. They really enjoy it. My egg customers are lingering on the property now, watching the babies. Huh, kiddos? Pretty fat, happy birds overall. Except when someone's trying to steal your butt feathers to eat them. Woo, 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 woo. Little peepers. Alright, everybody looks good. Those little lavenders. They're so pretty. I mean, they're beautiful lavender feathers. It really reminds me of like waves on an ocean. Because they're kind of these like frothy, beautiful feathers. It's nice. Really nice. Wow. There's somebody who's got big feathers. Look at my feathers. Display turkeys. Huh? What are you doing? Huh, kiddos? I think Aunt Ann is going to enjoy you. And Kiki's going to like you even more. Yummers. Alright. Well, everybody's happy. We survived the fires. It's fixing to rain, which will make all these guys super happy because dun, 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 there's more bugs in the environment and worms and protein sources. They love all of that bit. It makes eggs and makes happy birds. Alright guys, Deb Grill Deb signing out. Bye. Love ya.